Hello all and welcome to a brand new video. It is Lindsay here with another jewelry unboxing for you tonight. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller on YouTube, Poshmark, and The RealReal, and I do bring new content to you every Monday and Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I do have a ThredUP 15-piece mixed jewelry for tonight. This is the most recent one that I was able to order, and it just arrived yesterday, so I am excited to get this open. It does have a lot of weight to it. As you know, all the boxes have been very difficult to get lately. Luckily, I do have a bit of a stockpile, so I haven't had to stock the website as much, but when they do come up, they are selling out instantly. So I will continue to order them as they come available, but they are very difficult to get. If you missed Monday's video, I opened a box from the Goodwill box, which was fantastic. So I'm hoping I have just as good a box to share with you tonight. If you do see anything in the video you'd like to purchase, just please send me an email. I do need your mailing address if you're a first-time customer so I can get you out a PayPal invoice. So let's go ahead and get this open. And we'll take a look at the invoice and see when I ordered it. But like I said, it's a recent box. It was ordered just last week, actually. And they run $60 plus tax and $9.99 shipping. You do get 15 pieces of jewelry that are supposed to be curated. And I do see like a hefty box. And everything was able to be placed inside the bag. So I like to just count and make sure we get 15 pieces because as I get going, it's hard to keep track. But we do have this incredible box. I have no idea what this could be, but it looks very promising. So that would be number one. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. This looks like it could be sterling. The rest of the items I think are just costume, but hopefully we got some branded items. I'm going to move this box aside and we'll do that last, but I am definitely curious about it. First up, we do have a pair of earrings. And these are nice. They're really lightweight. They do have a knotted top that drops down into a pearl. I'm not familiar with this brand, 8OR, for the lovers, the dreamers, and all the right reasons. They are a pearl drop earring in gold, made in China. Let's just do $6 on those. Not familiar with the brand, but they are really cute. And next up, this looks like it could possibly be a Kate Spade bracelet. You do have the knot on the top in gold tone. And a little bit of marking there that needs to be wiped off. This is Kate Spade. I believe it says Kate Spade, New York. Yes, Kate Spade, New York with the top knot. It does have the push-in kind of closure. It's very secure. And it's in nice condition other than a little green mark there and a little bit of wear on the inside of the bangle. But otherwise, it's nice. These are good ones to stack up. That will go down to 6 3/4. Let's do $12 on the Kate Spade. And our next item is another bracelet here. This is Ann Taylor, gold tone. Might need just a little bit of a polishing on the metal, but it's not in bad condition. You do have her logo there, and then it opens up, closes very securely. A good bracelet for stacking. That one's a 6.5. We'll do $6 on the Ann Taylor. And then this looks like it has a price tag on it. I believe it's a necklace. It looks to be silver tone. Oh my gosh, it's Brighton. No way. So that's exciting. This is the Santa Fe necklace that retailed for $58. Absolutely beautiful. It does have some rhinestones on the little bead there. Definitely giftable condition. I love selling Brighton. If you purchase this, I will include this Brighton pouch. I actually have this just sitting right here. So it would be giftable. I'm going to comp out this style and I'll put a price on the screen. But it's got a nice extender. So that is fabulous. Very, very happy with this start. And we have a Fashion Nova necklace next. This is heavy. Nice chain. It is a mixed metal kind of tone. Silver and gold. And then it has a lion head. So I think I have it twisted. So it has the lion medallion in the center. And then it alternates with gold and silver. So really cute. It does have an extender on it. It is weighty, but very regal looking. Let's do $7 on the Fashion Nova necklace. That is nice, designed in the USA. And our next piece is a pair of earrings. These are a drop earring. They are absolutely beautiful. They look to be well made with all of the stones on there. And I keep dropping that one. I don't see anything missing. And I don't see any markings on them. And I'm sure they're just silver tone, but let me... Yeah, I just want to give them a quick scratch. They are really, really pretty. Definitely fancy enough for a nice occasion. And then we do have some hoops here. These are a really cool shape. Very interesting. I've never had that kind of style before. I do not see any markings on the earrings themselves or on the backer. And I do think they're just gold tone. I'm going to scratch just at the top here so I don't mess them up. Yes, definitely gold tone. We'll do $6 on those ones also. And then we have possibly a necklace in here. This is really dainty. I think it is multi-layer and there is a knot in it. So let me work on this a second and see what's going on. So this is a branded piece. It is marked Lulu's, which is a good brand. There it is there. So I think it's a double layer necklace, but I'm just having a heck of a time with it right now. I'll work on it a little bit more and see if I can get the knot out. And then next up we have a tennis necklace. And this is a lovely one with the black and clear. A nice length on it. This one is not marked. I feel like these are, you know, really in style right now. It is gorgeous. So let's do $8 on that one. Stunning. And next up we do have some earrings. These are a nice drop earring with the gold tone flowers. They are really nice. I don't see any branding on them. Let's do 8 on those as well. They have some nice weight to them. Really, really nice for summer. And we do have some hoop earrings here. They have a little rhinestone there, so probably some kind of mall brand. No markings. They're a nice matte silver. just silver tone. Let's do $6 on those. They're in really nice condition. And just a couple more pieces, and then we'll open that awesome box. We do have this wide bracelet with the clear stones. It's in really nice shape. I don't see anything missing there. It is marked. Oh my gosh, this is Swarovski. Wow. So it is marked on the underside of the clasp there. That is fantastic. Really nice quality. So this would just be silver plated. And it's wide, so it's kind of hard to measure, but probably best on about a 6.5. I'm going to comp that out and I will put a price on the screen, but that's an amazing item between that and the Brighton so far. And then we do have this bracelet. This is also absolutely gorgeous. Very well made. It actually looks like it would be very pretty with the earrings. And this one may have a marking in it. It is an N with a circle around it. Possibly Napier, like a more modern Napier. I'm not sure. I will try to figure that out, or maybe Nadri. I think we are missing one stone here. Yes, there is a missing stone right there and just some discoloration where it was. But, you know, not the end of the world, but still a little bit disappointing. That one is coming in at a size 6 3/4. I will see if I can find out the brand. And then we do have a ring here. This looks like it could be sterling. It is marked. 925. I don't see any other markings on it. But it's a nice ring, a nice wide band. And it looks like it's a piece of carnelian in there. That one is coming in at a, it'll go down to a 7. So I would say it's about a 7. It's lightweight. There is a little bit of denting on the ring on the sides. But it's a really nice piece. So let's go ahead and test this one. And see if it is sterling, to get a nice wide scratch there. Yes, that one is sterling. So how fantastic is that? I will give it a Google lens and see if I can possibly find a maker. But it is sterling. Let's do $25 on that one. I will put some info on the screen if I can find out a maker. I will also insert a picture of the Lulu's necklace if I can get it untangled. And then our final item is this box. So it says Zen Kang Pin. And it's a really nice wooden box. You know, maybe some marks on it. But it's not like real dented or anything. And oh my, how freaking cool is this? Let me back up a little bit. So I believe this would be a Jade bangle, and then it does have the certification. Which is huge. It's all in another language, so unfortunately I can't make it out, but I assume that is the gram weight, possibly. And it comes in this beautiful box. And it is like a white color. Very cold to the touch. I'm definitely going to have to do some research on this piece. That one does go down to 7 3/4. So I will do some research and put info on the screen, but what a way to close out the box. And this is a really nice gift. So I know that with the Jade, it is important to have the certificate where it was sourced. So that's a really, really cool item. Definitely legit looking. We have the Lulu's Tangle, which I made worse. We have the other bracelet that was marked N for number 3. Number 4, we have the sterling ring. Number 5, we have the floral earrings. Number 6, we have the tennis necklace. Number 8, we have the lion necklace from Fashion Nova. Number 9, we have the silver tone hoops. Number 10, we have the gorgeous drop earrings. 11, we had the gold tone hoop earrings. 12, we had the Swarovski bracelet. 13, we had the Brighton necklace. And again, I will include the pouch with purchase. 14, we had, I think I lost count. 13, we had the Ann Taylor. 14, the Kate Spade. And then our last item was these 8OR earrings that were new on the card. Very, very happy about this box. There's definitely a profit in here with the bracelet, the sterling, the Swarovski, and the Brighton. And then the other pieces are just a bonus. And we did get Kate Spade too. So let me know in the comments below what your thoughts were. I always enjoy opening these. This was a really good one. Thank you so much for watching tonight. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend and be on the lookout for a brand new video on Monday.